Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another special unboxing from you from Morphe. So the Morphe unboxing I'm going to do for you, unfortunately the box itself was destroyed thanks to some little munchkins that ran around and decided it was theirs to play with. So there won't be a physical unboxing for you, but I do want to talk about my first impressions with the products that I purchased. Now this one is special to me because it is a collaboration with, again, someone whose career I followed for a very, very long time. And again, of course, that would be the Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration. So this is, I believe, volume 2 of their collab. The first collaboration was brushes, which had the diamond shaped handle, very reflective. I picked those up, still my favorite foundation brush. And then some beauty sponges, which I do have and I did pick up the first time around. So they re-released the beauty sponges. I did not pick those up, they were the same ones as last time, so I'm just gonna leave them there. I didn't feel the need to re-up them just yet. But of course, I do love a Morphe setting spray, and Jeffree did release one in a special starberry scent. Go ahead and crack this one open. I gotta say, ooh, that was kind of tough. I gotta say, I actually like the pink. I think this really stands out. I don't have a pink setting spray. Like, I have some in clear bottles, little pump sprays. I have, of course, black ones. I think I have, what is Urban's? Like white and purple was one of them, and I think the other is like black and purple or black and blue or something, but I don't have like just a baby pink one that would stand out. So first of all, let's see, give it a good shake and see how strong this is. Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Now, I'm generally not big on scents on my face. However, this is very light and refreshing. I feel like I can smell it, but it's so faint, like you don't mind it. You might if you have allergies, so just be aware of that. But yeah, it's just very, very light. It's almost like Starburst meets strawberry shortcake. If that doesn't make any sense. I mean, this scent is Jeffree, hands down. It's nice. It's very nice. It's very subtle. I am very surprised, but I like it. It's just a nice little like pick me up, like, good morning. It's kind of like when you wake up in the morning and you smell a fresh cup of coffee. It's just that like little pick me up, like, And I feel like that's exactly what this is. So not bad. It did set in pretty quickly. All right, I like it. Let's go ahead and put that aside. And then of course, we had to pick up the Morphe Jeffree Star second set of brushes. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I was lucky enough to pick these up on launch day. I was very excited. So again, we have the little sleeve with the hologram. I love that they kept the hologram from the last time. Let's go ahead and put that in. 10 stunning superstars. So I like that. Here's the tea. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read the packaging. Here's the tea. You're gonna make them stop and stare with the eye brush collection from the legendary Jeffree Star. Everyone will be watching you and your perfectly blended eyes. So, get to it. And that's actually on the packaging. I love their descriptions. So here we have, of course, the cute little bag. I do like that it's, again, keeping in with the spray, the baby pink with the darker hot pink trim, and of course the white writing. Let's open it up. So course, they're all bundled together. Let's pop this open. Oh goodness. Probably shouldn't have brought them all out at once, but let's take a look here. So I'm curious if these ones are gonna have a numbering system like the last, or if it's just gonna continue on where the last ones left off from volume 1. Again, here are the eye brushes. Looks like we have a nice little range here. Let's take a look. We have Morphe Jeffree Star, the JS6, which from my last collection, unfortunately it was destroyed after one wash, so I'm really hoping that they fix it this time around. This one is the JS9, the JS13 with pink tip. Oh, looks like we have a little bit of a bend already, but that's okay. This one is the JS7. I needed another one of these, thank goodness. Of course, we have the JS14 with a nice little tip there. The JS10. The JS8. The JS11. The JS5. And lastly, the JS12. They're all very cute. Looks like it's a combination of natural and synthetic fibers. I am gonna go ahead and put these back in because we aren't done with our unboxing just yet. So let's zip this all back up. Oops, I missed one. So let's zip this all back up and we'll keep them nice and stored. Now, this one I'm excited for. It is the Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Now, of course, we have a gorgeous picture on the back with a little description. So let's read it now. Hi, how are you? We all know I live for making a bold statement, especially with my makeup. The world needs color and I am serving it up by the pound. I'm so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette of velvety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you'll be hooked. So dive in and explore your creativity. Love and Lipstick, Jeffree Star. Ooh, 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 ooh. So let's open up the box. And of course it is wrapped. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we'll open it up once again. Ooh. So of course it does have the Morphe Jeffree Star. I'm so excited, yay! Oh my goodness. So you know we're gonna have to swatch these, right? I probably shouldn't have worn 3/4 sleeves for this, but we're gonna give it a go anyway. So we're gonna go start up here and work our way over for each and every row. So let's start up here with the shade Welcome. Welcome to the jungle. Wait, no. So welcome back to my channel. One noise. Welcome back to my channel. Very cute. I actually really like that. I think that's my favorite line so far. Welcome back to my channel. Very cool. Okay, so that actually wraps it up for line 1. You can see here they do have the blendable colors. We do have some high shine there. And that's again just straight from this first row here at the top with welcome back to my channel, one noise. Next up we have line 2. Again, we're going to start here and work our way over. We have Lynn, 1985, Mogul. Ooh, Mogul is very vibrant. I like. Self-Made. Gorgeous. Dog Mom. Ooh, Dog Mom is very pretty. Honest truth. Ooh, very peachy. I like that one. Nice little coral vibes. In 1985, Mogul, Self-Made, Dog Mom, and Honest Truth. I gotta say, Mogul, Self-Made, and Dog Mom are the ones that really stand out to me so far in this palette. But we still have 3 other rows to swatch. So let's get to it. I have a designer label. Not bad. Looks like it's my skin tone though, but it's a nice little golden color. This one is Mr. Diva. Pink Fleet. Yes, hello. Cute. Calabasas. Pretty much matches the liquid lip shade and I love it. Don't know her. Don't know her. So we have quite a few shades of pink here and I am digging it. They make me very, very happy. You definitely have some shades to blend out. Some are matte, some are shimmer. There's a lot of looks you can create with this palette. Label, Mr. Diva, Los Angeles, Pink Fleet, Calabasas, and Don't Know Her. Rolls with it. Millions. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. You actually need like a setting or glue with that one, but still you can see how well it comes off. Oh, so pretty. Girl. What's the tea? Vroom vroom. Custom rims. So I pretty much feel like this line here, the 4th row, is pretty much all of my hopes and dreams. Like, rolls with it, millions, girl, what's a tea? Vroom vroom, and custom rims. Dream big, right? You can tell I'm really excited for this corner here because it's greens and I love my greens. So let's go ahead and just continue on down this arm, shall we? This one is Glam Rapids. Ooh. Wake and Bake. Wake and Bake is very pretty. I like it a lot. Nate, and it reminds me of his hair. So cute. Drive-through. As in, I need a quick bite. Let's hit the drive-through. Ooh. Hello, drive-through. Me like this. Hi, dude. Something I always say. Hi, dude. Ooh, I like it. It's like this nice, like, chocolatey brown color. You like it, mate? And last up but not least, we have this nice little black called Fast Lane. As in living life in the fast lane. So here you have it. That wraps it up for the entirety of the Morphe Jeffree Star Eyeshadow Collab Palette. I definitely have my personal favorites. I'm still leaning toward these 3 right here. Actually, let's throw this one in there too. And then of course, the Wake and Bake, this shimmer right here. Ooh, very, very nice. So do I recommend it? Yes, of course. Again, I would say it's a step up from a normal Morphe palette. Yes, the shades were soft, they were velvety. They do have some buildable color. Some of the shimmers are just in your face with reflectives, which is very, very Jeffree. I can't wait to actually try on this Millions. when I actually have the correct setting. You can see there a close-up of all the colors. And again here, some of them are a lot softer than others, and others are more vibrant and in your face. So again, this is going to be someone who does like to experiment, but you do have a lot of shade range in here for you to create more of an everyday look, just a simple little shine. And then you have your more adventurous sort of colors to blend in and put in pops of color here and there. We will see what this crazy duo comes up with next, and I just can't wait. So if you guys like this unboxing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and help a sister out, and I will see you guys next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.